Welcome everyone to our next online SAP learning tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will see how to check the SAP product version which is installed in your system in GUI system. So to check the product version, click here on system, then click on status here, and here in SAP system data, click on the search bar, write to the product version, and then select installed product versions. So here you can see these are the product version are installed in this system. It's S4 HANA on-premise 2023 release. So by this way you can check the product versions in GUI system. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.